Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the button mapping on your controllers for your Nintendo Switch. So if you want to go ahead and like switch Y to X or something like that for a specific game, this is easy. Go to System Settings. Scrolling down on the left side, go to Controllers and Sensors. Then we have the option for Change Button Mapping. You can customize button mapping for each controller. Custom button mapping configurations can be saved as presets for easy access in the future. So let's select A on this. And then you can see the left Joy-Con and the right Joy-Con. So we can go to change now in the center of the screen. And then we can find the Joy-Con button that we want to go ahead and change. So if we want to go to display horizontally just to see a little bit easier, we have the option. So we can go to up. And maybe we want to make the up D-pad, down D-pad, or something like that. We can do that. And then we can just go to done. So you can see the changes reflecting on the screen. All right. So we can change that there. And then you can save the preset mapping. Let's just go to here and do that. Go to OK. And we should be able to just access that in the future by going to load preset. I'm going to go ahead and reset this because I don't think I'll ever use it like that. But if you really did want to change your buttons around, you have that option on the Nintendo Switch settings. Just come to this section and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.